Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zawar Hussain and today I have an amazing collection of Imam Ali's sayings about death. So watch this video till end.
Number 6. The nearest thing is death. Number 7. The remembrance of the times of death has disappeared from your hearts and has been replaced by false hopes and aspirations. Number 8. Your hearts have forgotten the reality of death and you have been overcome by deception of false hope. Number 9. The one who takes death into consideration values his time. Number 10. One whose death draws near to him cannot be saved from it by his efforts. Number 11. It is when the time of death comes that the failure of one's aspiration becomes apparent. Number 12. The appointed time of death is already determined and sustenance is already apportioned. So let not any of you grieve its reduction, for verily greed does not expedite it, and self-restraint does not delay it, and it behoves a believer to be patient. Number 13. When death strikes, hopes and aspirations are exposed. Number 14. Every future event is near. Number 15. How many a person has delayed his work until death came upon him. Number 16. The appointed time of death is sufficient as a guard. Number 17. There is a prescribed duration for every term of life. Number 18. Death strikes down